Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to see sent friend request on Facebook. So if you want to see the number or this list of sent friend requests on your Facebook account, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is open your Facebook app on your phone. Once you open it, then tap on the menu icon. Then from there, tap on your friends, which is amongst the listed option. Just tap on the friends. Then you can see right here, the first options to see is the friend request, and these are the numbers of friend requests I have received from other friends. You can see from Facebook, which is friend request. So these are the list of friend requests I have over time now. And for me to see the numbers of friends requests I have sent out, or to check the list of the friends requests I have sent out to other people or other friends. So for me to do that, for me to see that, just click on this three dot icon, then tap on view sent request. Then this will bring out the available list of friend requests that I have on my list together with their number. So I have about 78 sent requests on Facebook. Then also have, this is the available friend request that I have from other friends on Facebook, and that's how you can simply see sent request, sent friend request on Facebook. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.